guys, this is John Hennessey, and I'm here today to do a video review of this very special Velocity Blue Ford Shelby GT500 Mustang. And before we get into the details of the car, I want to talk about the brand name that we came up with for our 1,000 horsepower version of the GT500, and that is the Venom 1000. The Venom is a trademark name that we own. It's a very special name that we came up with back in the mid-1990s to basically describe the more potent version of the Dodge Viper that we were modifying back in that time frame. And Venom just seemed to be a name that really kind of we really click with, and we've really built a brand around that. As the Venom GT came along in the late 2007, 2008, that seemed like the appropriate name for that car. You guys probably know the story on that car. Eventually ran a 270 mile an hour top speed and beat Bugatti back in 2014. And now we're building, you may see behind the GT500, we actually have 5 Venom F5s in production. Back to the GT500, when this car came out with over 700 horsepower from the factory, when I first drove the GT500, I really felt like this was a car that really, to me, tilts more towards supercar exotic than muscle car. So when we perfected our 1,000 horsepower package for this car, we felt like the GT500 was worthy of our Venom name. So this is aptly named our Venom 1000 GT500 Mustang. But the other thing that I wanted to mention before we get into the driving portion of the video is we've been in business for a little over 31 years. We've worked with all the major manufacturers. I like to say we're equal opportunity from the standpoint that if GM has a cool car, we'll modify it. If Stellantis, Dodge, FCA has a cool car, we'll modify it. I think when the Ford GT came out back in 05, 06, and we started twin turboing those vehicles, that's a car that became really special to me personally and was part of the growth of the company. And since that time with the Velociraptor, Ford Raptor trucks, we've really gotten the chance to really know some of the people at Ford. I've got a chance to work with some of the members of the Ford family. They are the most serious, hardcore, high-performance people of anybody in the automotive world. And the guy that owns this car, it's a father-son. I can't name any names, but this family, they are very close to Ford, and they literally bleed Ford blue. It's an honor for us to be able to build this special Venom 1000 for our special father-son clients. And the owner specifically told me, make sure you do plenty of burnout. So as Jay Leno would say, will it do a burnout? We're gonna find out, so stay tuned. We'll go drive it here in just a second. Come check it out. Shifting to 7500. 148 in the back of our truck, and it's got the big Brembos that can haul this beast down. So that was just kind of a warm-up lap. This has the golden ticket package, which has the carbon fiber wing, carbon wheels, more of a track-focused version of the GT500, and watch our videos, are like, what the heck are you guys testing? About 20 years ago, I had the great idea, my wife disagrees, but I thought I had the great idea of buying a drag strip. She wanted to buy a larger house for our 5 kids, and I'm like, but honey, how often do you get a chance to buy a drag strip? So I bought a drag strip, the Lone Star Raceway in Sealy, Texas. It was 1/8 a mile at the time. I thought it'd be a cool place to test our cars, but if we could expand the track, which we did, a 1/4 mile in 2000, I think we did that in 2006. And then eventually build our factory out here, our shop, which we did in 2007, moved in 2008. So back to the car talking. This is a very hooked up car. Again, I liken it more to an exotic muscle car than just a straight up muscle car. I think this car would run with my McLaren 765 LT. It would give it a real good run for its money. It's a hell of a bang for the buck. It's tremendous value. And by the way, if you get one of these cars, a lot of people don't know this, you automatically get to go to the Ford Performance Driving School, which is an awesome experience. Let's go! American horsepower. 153. All right, we'll give her a cool down here. Now, by the way, on the horsepower ratings for the Venom 1000, we are making around 900 to the wheels, so it's maybe a little over 1,000 horsepower at the engine. That is done on E85 biofuel, so you can get that at most places in America. It makes tremendous power. Now, what do you get if you're running 93 octane? I think the power comes down by 100 horsepower, so instead of 1,000 horsepower, you got about 900 horsepower. Some of our clients drive these cars daily, but the majority it's for a fun car, so I recommend running E85 in it all the time. God bless America. Thank you, Jim and JMO. See you guys soon. Will it do a burnout? Oh yeah.